How to use FOREVER DTF Premium Matt. In this video, we are going to teach you how to use our consistent and reliable high-quality DTF transfer film made in Germany. Step 1. Printing your design. For this tutorial, we will be using a large format DTF printer. DTF desktop printers work totally fine too. Our FOREVER DTF Premium Matt is available in both sheets and rolls. Perfect for printing multiple logos or just one big t-shirt design. They're compatible with Kodak and other DTF inks. Once the print is finished, we move on to step 2 while the ink is still wet. Step 2. Applying the glue. Once your design is printed, let's apply the glue powder to the film. Pour the glue powder on the film while making sure to cover the whole design. Let the glue powder run over the design until you can see a nice and even coating. Make sure to shake off the excess by lightly tapping the back a few times. Now it's time to cure the transfer. Step 3. Curing the glue. Make sure to read the warning label on your oven since it will get very hot to the touch. Then we can proceed with curing the glue. Place the foil in an adequately sized oven for 2 minutes at 130 degrees Celsius or 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the glue merged with the transfer, we can go and apply it to a shirt. Step 4. Applying the transfer. Before transferring your design onto your fabric, pre-press it for a few seconds depending on the fabric at 135 degrees Celsius or 275 degrees Fahrenheit using low to medium pressure. This ensures the fabric is ready for the transfer process. Next, take your transfer foil and lay it on the fabric. Press it for just 1 to 15 seconds depending on the application and adhesive, and using the same temperature and pressure as before. Once you open the press, you can instantly peel the foil in one swift movement. A true instant peel solution. And we're done. Thanks for watching this tutorial about our DTF Premium Matte Transfer Foil. For more information and news about our products, visit FOREVEROTS.com. Don't forget to check out our social media and subscribe for more.